high-quality ghost guns are readily available. The city of Danao in the Philippines. Danao has been a hub for gun manufacture for over a century. But legal gun industry faces periodic downturns. Many families believe that their survival depends on doing what they know best, making illegal guns.
Kuan-kuan mga 22 hindi na po kuan armas niya antuk karo ni 53 na idan na po armas ang yapi akong itrabaho.
Hiding in a workshop deep in the jungle, Mr. Amato and his sons make guns to order, and they're all handmade.
Ilado na nang 1911 nung pinaka-kuan diri sa kuan Danao.
Developed and used during the Philippine-American War, this gun earned its name and was adopted by the U.S. military in 1911. Relying on scrap metal and simple tools, we use a series of templates to handcraft each part of the gun.
Kini nga pattern, pwede ni siya sa Combat 1911 Mark IV.
Kani siya welding ni siya, ngari, kahuman grind ni siya, grindan para ma-ariani.
Working 12 hours a day, together they make 5 handguns a month.
Nani nga mas mo ni kuan, bayad na ko ni 5,000.
Guns help put food on the table, but they still live in poverty. In the jungle workshop, it's every man for himself. Amato and his family are on constant alert. They fear that jealous neighbors, their competition, are out to get them.
Suya-suya pag mo sumbong to sila ngadto nga mo na ipadakop ng wana. Awan na ondayo.
Weekly raids by the police mean Amato and his family are forced to run and hide in the jungle rather than face arrest.
Yaan gini na mo ta gamiton bahala gilan dato. Tingin luya na mo kadon pa. Ang pamilya wa nay mahimo wa nay makaon.
For those sucked into illegal gun making, options are limited. To make money, the guns have to move on.
Muna na siya final. Umanagin siya, iniya.
This 45 is ready to test fire, but it has to work perfectly for Lumaban.
Ako mag-load ko ni 5 bullets.
Any imperfection in the gun could make it jam.
Kinahanglan mo buto para dawato na sa mong bayar ngadto.
Lumaban tests his own gun without protection. If it misfires, it could kill him. Luckily, his craftsmanship is right on target.
Kani ready na ni gun may pagkabuto para ready para ato dano.
The mechanics of the clone Colt 45 appear to work perfectly. It's ready for its next phase.
Iniya nami ani kabaligyan dito sa lungsod. Iniya sila na magpapinis ani tanan jud. Iniya sila na magumana ni dito.
His buyer will put the finishing touches on the gun. But to get paid, Lumaban has to do 2 things. Get out of the jungle and into town without getting busted.
Madali na madlo basta wala checkpoint. Sakay ko motor. Magpangutan ako sa mga friend ko kung nabay checkpoint wala ko.
Lumaban gets a warning. There has just been a police raid nearby, so he's forced to take a detour.
Shortcut ko kung na-checkpoint Kung agimigdaan nga lain para laos sa danong.
With the buyer only willing to wait till sunset, he needs to hurry. It's a nerve-wracking business. Spies are everywhere. He's made it just in time. The .45 has exchanged hands in his first transaction, but not its last, if the gun traffickers do their job. This ghost gun's open-in price, $115. When they come this cheap, for buyers, it's all about the profit.
Ang amo, ang mupalit laman o armas, ang mupalit diri kami, basta na mga stock mo deliver gimi.
Edwin is the first link to a large international distribution network that will see cloned .45 caliber ghost guns all the way to the USA. But the smuggling can only begin when he's got enough of them.
Bayaran ni sa stakeholder, dayon siya na may mo stock sa armas. Pag naay mo order nga asa-asang lugar, kinahanglan may mga napo kabuok, 20 kabuok, muna to ang stakeholder, adto na niya makuantanan.
Edwin deals in a variety of untraceable guns, but he buys them all unfinished. They are missing one vital thing, a serial number.
Kaya ni, gining 45, wa pa ni ma-blue finish, wala pa'y marka.
He sends them to a network of highly skilled backyard workers who specialize in making clone guns look legitimate. Most important, original brand markings and made-up serial numbers. Guns indistinguishable from the originals get the highest price.
Kana diri mga 10,000. Kaning nani.
On each sale, Edwin doubles his money. With customers paying Edwin top dollar, he can't afford to lose any in transit. So he selects his gun mules